Can I put the boring bar and the welder on the same setup?
Yes, you can. So that's exactly what I have here. I have the BB5, but again, this general setup, BB3, BB45, and BB5, all use this same basic setup. And as long as I have this set up the bar first, then I can attach the welder to that with any three of those machines. Now, when we talk about the BB61, BB71, and BB81, it's a little bit of a different setup. Matter of fact, why don't I talk about that now? When I'm using the BB3 or BW3 or the BW1 with the BB3, BB45, or BB5, I use what I call a bore weld adapter kit. And that's that teardrop mount, the extension arm, and then the alignment block. And what that does is that sets the distance from the arm that the welder attaches to the center line of the bore. If I'm using the BB61, 71, 81, then I need to use my triangle base. Actually, anytime I'm using the welder without the boring bar, I want to use this triangle base. This gives me the ability to adjust for center line, and it also allows me to attach the welder to this, so I can use the welder any other application that I have other than with the boring bar. So, bore weld adapter kit, use it with the bar, triangle base, and extension with the welder as a standalone.